Hey Bachateros! It's Kendra with Lucas Latin Dance, and we're going to show you what we did in this week's Bachata class. So we started with our basic combo, going to the leader's left. 1, 2, 3. Lift the left 4. Turn your partner. 5, 6. Hand on her shoulder. 7, 8. Turn her again. 1, 2, 3, 4. We got into closed position. Guys, you're just going to swing this right hand low and get into closed position. Basic. 5, 6, 7. Basic. 1, 2, 3. Tap. Crossbody leads. Guys, step back. Do half of a turn to your right. 5, 6, 7. Tapping. Guys, release the hand at the back. Do a forward turn to your stomach. 1, 2, change hands. 3, 4. We're right to right. You're going to ask for the hand underneath as we do our basic. 5, 6, lift the right. 7, 8. Turn your lady into a hammer lock. This hand goes low as you turn your lady. Ladies, we have to know to bend our own hand. 2, 3, hammer lock. 4. And you're going to give the lady a hair comb on 4 as well. Now guys, this is the tricky part. You're going to step forward and go to the other side. All the while, you're going to be pulling that right hand. You're going to be pulling it to your right. So, ladies, when you feel the pull, you're just going to, and guys, you also have to release the hand. You're just going to let the hand go around the lady's stomach while she turns. So guys, while you pull, let the hand go at the waist, and then let that hand go around her stomach, and then you're going to reconnect. And now we have the right hand in front of us instead of behind the neck. So if you can see from Hirokome again, he pulls the hand to the side like that, and he lets the hand go around my stomach as we change sides. Basic, and you're done. And there's more to that move, but we'll work on that next week. We'll keep on building on that. But that's everything for this week. So remember to subscribe to the channel and hit the little bell so you can get a notification every time we post. And we'll see you next Sunday in class. Bye everyone!